I was given wine. We're feeling okay, and are quite alright. You wash my tears away.